morning, welcome back to the William Fams. Why? I just woke up, brushed my teeth and came downstairs. I was like, why is my hair looking so cray cray? But that's okay. Y'all used to the straps right now. My hair always looking crazy, so that is fine. Your girl just got downstairs, put my meat to soak. I didn't get to season it last night because we came in late, and yeah, that was pretty much it. So I'm about to make some banana pancakes for breakfast. I haven't made any banana pancakes. Well, I haven't made banana pancakes in a while, and I haven't made a decent breakfast in a while. Make me sound like a bad wife, huh? What do you think this is? Hey, you hear this one in the background, guys? But listen, it's the long weekend, and I haven't made I can say I haven't made a breakfast in a while because most of the time we are busy doing other things, so I don't get to do all of this. And he gets up at how much o'clock in the morning? So I can't make breakfast. I can't get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to go make breakfast for somebody that has to leave the house by 4 something. Okay, I'm just gonna make six eggs should be good for all of us. And the kids them free paper bun. So school is in session just now. Tomorrow, oh my gosh, let me get rid of these. I'm gonna do the eggs on the okay. So I'm just making a oh, I should wonder if I should make the scrambled eggs on here, babe. No, I'm gonna wonder if I should make the scrambled eggs. Okay, so I don't do much with my scrambled eggs. Salt, pepper, some milk, and make sure I have enough salt. That is about it. Make it frying pan. Got my bad boy here. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend with your family. I sure am enjoying mine, so I definitely can't complain. You know I love when everybody's home. I love when my whole family is home and we are just here, even if we're sleeping, but as long as everybody's in the house. I know everybody's safe, they're in arm's reach. I am content. Alright. Okay, so I got my stuff in here that I'm doing. Let me get these eggs on quickly. And I'm also making tea. Alright. Oh, moly, I think so. Lampa. Huh? Pardon? Yeah, I should get up. She didn't get up. Told them last night was their last hurrah, so I guess they're having their last late night sleep-in or late morning sleep-in. They're having their last late morning sleep-in. Okay, I can turn this bad boy down. Woo. last night was like crazy storming, guys. It was like literally storming outside. We're getting like a lot of like thunderstorms lately. A lot. Lots of thunderstorms lately. And it's getting cold. It was down to single digits, was it? I think last night and the night before. So it's been getting down there. Okay. Let me see if it's ready. They turn out huge. Okay. I'm just continue mixing, so I'm gonna let those pancakes sit. So I'm semi-prepping for dinner as well. Just trying to figure maybe I'll make a nice dinner as well today. Alright, so ooh, those bad boys are coming along nicely. So pancakes are almost, these ones are almost finished. And I just finished getting some tea. I got some whipped cream. So I'm just mixing. I'm using my little tea. I'm waiting for those bad boys to finish. So, and the eggs just finished too. So, a little butter. I should get one of these small things. Put some in. Their face favor really. I like to make them a little bit more golden. Alright. I like when I see color like that on them. Love that knife. So sharp. Alright, so let me take off all these stuff. Give him 3. Alright, so we'll do 3 for him. If you make them smaller, you can get way more. Let me see. What did it? I can finish my whipped cream. I think we did. Oh Lord. Okay. So that is finished. And so there you have it, guys. Breakfast is ready. I'm going to go give him his breakfast now. I'm gonna wait for those. Then I'm going to call the kids them down, and then his big old cup. You want me and you to get into it. Alright. So while these are going, let me slowly clean up my mess. Faye! Tea. There's water boiled. That's tea. This batch they bad me up. But that's okay. I'm gonna make it till the morning light. I'm gonna do all the things you like. Champagne and candlelight. We're about to finish making breakfast, guys, and then I'm about to go eat. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, I guess I will catch you all later.
Today a lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You want my